Hey, I'm Marker Kid. I'm showing you how to make a paper airplane. Fold it like this in half. See? Want to see? And there should be no lines. We got that checked. And then you fold it like an upside down triangle like this. Do it again on the other side. And sometimes I like to fold it this way, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to do it this way. My way. This. Then fold it in half again. So it looks like this. Then fold it open to make sure the crease is like one line straight coming forward. Like this, see? Then straighten it out. Rub it. Then you do this. Then do this, like this. Fold it. Now I'm done. See, I made the paper airplane. You can color it if you want. Black and color. Even as marker. Watch, I'm going to color mine marker. It won't hurt anything. Close the marker, put it back. Now do that.